The crushing and screening equipment, capable of making production at up to 1,000 tons per hour for any small and large-scale project, are also included in the product range of Makina. All components such as feeder, crusher, screen, screw classifier and belt conveyor run in perfect harmony to meet any needs of the sector. Dual crushers, primary and secondary impact and territory impact crushers, manufactured in line with the requirements of material in different size and hardness, as well as hard-to-produce cone crushers with vertical shaft impact, mobile and hydraulic booms are manufactured depending on the demand. In crushing and screening equipment, high-quality gearboxes manufactured by Makina are used in parallel to the preference of the best quality primer used in order to enhance the durability of each equipment.